Hello, and welcome to our Cerenade Client Academy video. In this video, we will show you how to create reminders.
I'm ready. Show me how.
You will first want to go into your client's profile. Then, you will want to locate the Reminders tab on the right. Two new options appear, Reminders and Calendar Appointments. Click on Reminders again, taking you to where you'll create reminders.
Okay, I'm there.
You will now want to click on Add Reminder. You will select the category, meaning what type of reminder is this? Then, you will select the due date. If you want this reminder to be emailed to you, you will click on the calendar and select the day you want to be emailed. You will leave the completed date blank. Then, you will set the responsible person. You can either create this reminder for yourself or for a fellow caseworker. Once you select someone, you can then include to CC someone by selecting the option to see or by manually typing in someone's address. Lastly, you will want to add a description, meaning this is where you'll type out the actual reminder. Just like our logs, you can either type a simple message with your reminder or you can make something more elaborate to include things like links, pictures, and much more. Once finished, you will click on Save. Your reminder is all set.
This sounds helpful. Now, besides getting an email, is there a place in the system I can view these reminders?
Once you've created your reminders, you will get a quick glance of all your reminders on the home page. Not only will you see client reminders, but case reminders as well. Case reminders are just like client reminders. These, however, are tied specifically to a case as opposed to the client's profile. We'll discuss further in an upcoming video. Besides the home page, you will also see all your reminders in the tickler. The tickler is a place that gathers all your reminders, process steps, and important expirations so that you don't miss deadlines. We will discuss the tickler more in detail in a further video. To access the tickler, we will go to the home page and locate the button called Tickler. As you can see, the first things that appear to your left are your reminders for both cases and client profiles. To see which client reminders you have coming up, you will click on the 0 to 30 days or wherever you see a number other than 0 next to the time frame. A new box will appear showing you all reminders. It will list the client's name, due date, category, the description, and the responsible person. From here, you can complete the task or change due dates by clicking on Modify. Once clicked, you will see that you can change the dates to either the due date or completed date. Once you set a completed date, the tickler will stop tracking that reminder.
Okay, that makes sense. Now, what would happen if I don't complete the reminder?
If you don't complete the reminder, the system will make this an expired reminder. The next time you come into the reminders, you will notice that the reminder will now appear red to differentiate it from active reminders. Also, the next time you go to the tickler, you will see you have items in the overdue section to let you know that they haven't been completed.
Oh, okay. I could still complete those, correct?
Correct. Just as you did with your active reminders, you can go in, set the completed date to whichever date, and then hit Save. The reminder will now show as completed and stop being read.
Awesome. One last thing. Those categories at the beginning of setting the reminder, can we modify them to add more options?
Yes, you can. You can do this by going into the admin portal. You will locate the client reminder types. Click on Add Client Reminder Type. You will give it a name and finalize it by clicking on Save. Once it's saved, it will now appear as an option in the caseworker portal. You can also change its position of how it will appear in the caseworker portal by clicking on the up and down arrows.
Okay, that's very helpful. Thanks for your help, Ray.
You're welcome, Jake. In the next video, we will show you how to upload documents onto your client's profile. For more fun videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Also, don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues and friends. For sales-related questions, please call us at 1-800-617-4202 or email us at sales@cerenade.com. For support-related questions, you may email us at ecmssupport Cerenade.com. Thank you for choosing Cerenade. We appreciate your business.